Have you ever wondered why some homes feel happy while others don't? In this video, I will show you exactly what elements of the core make us feel depressed, anxious, joyful, or relaxed. We are aiming for these 4 emotions. It would be so much fun to do it with you in person, but since we can't, I'll do the next best thing. I will show some home interior pictures and explain why each room evokes certain emotions. It would be awesome to see your comments. Do you agree or disagree with me? I'm Natalia Kaylin. Welcome to my channel. I help people create happy homes using mindful and intentional design. Now let's dive in. What emotion does this room evoke for you? To me, this room screams depressing. The wall color is gray and cold. The headboard is gray and cold. The nightstands are black and cold. The lampstands and shades are black and white and cold. The bedding is boring and somehow totally doesn't fit with the rest. But the real kicker is this super depressing picture on the wall. Lifeless and ominous, almost like a scene from a bad dream. But this is easy to fix. I'm not even asking to paint the room in a more cheerful color or get a different headboard. Simply get a new picture with some color and life in it and get a different bedding. Next one. Looks like it might be a child's room. Hopefully not, because this room would make a child feel anxious and unsafe. Look at these sharp ceiling features. The contrast between the wall color and the ceiling color really makes these sharp lines stand out. Unnatural architectural lines like these are anxiety-inducing. Also, the bed is placed right next to the window, which feels unsafe. This room is not an easy fix, but a lighter wall color so the lines do not stand out that much might improve it a bit, and moving the bed away from the window would help. This next one is somewhat similar. Sharp contrast between the walls and the ceiling feels unsettling, and the bed placement between 2 windows without a headboard, yikes, it's giving me anxious vibes. Then there is this big opening to the bathroom which feels wrong. There is not much separation here between the bedroom and the bathroom. Keeping the bathroom door closed, placing a large shaggy rug and getting a headboard would be quite helpful here. A lighter paint color, something creamy so it doesn't contrast the ceiling too much, could transform the space. Now, what about this one? It feels relaxing, right? The choice of color, art, bedding, and nature seen from the windows makes this room cozy and relaxing. And how about this? Warm purplish color scheme, beige trim, soft headboard makes it feel playful and joyful. It's not loudly joyful, but more on a subtle level, which I appreciate. And if you're enjoying the content so far, it would mean a lot to me if you would click that like button and subscribe to my channel. And what's your take on this creation? Is it really a kitchen or is it an operating room? The surfaces are not just cold gray and white, they're also reflective and harsh. This is dangerous, people. This is a formula for both depression and anxiety. At least the floors are not gray. They could have used those gray laminate floors that were so popular this past decade. Oh wait, here they are, gray laminate floors paired with white subway tiles and white and gray cabinets. There is another one and another one. Here at least they put a rug and wooden chairs, which as you can see adds some warmth. Can you feel how depressing and lifeless these all gray and white environments are? They are reminiscent of sterile hospital rooms. But then look at this kitchen. It still has a lot of white, but the natural wood and the warm under cabinet lighting make a world of difference. People relate so much better to natural materials. This deeper darker wood with white countertops is also very beautiful. I cannot decide whether these 2 kitchens feel relaxing or joyful. Probably both. How do you feel about this dining room? The walls and floors are cold, reflective and harsh. This marble might be nice in a bathroom, but it doesn't belong in the dining room. I'm just imagining how it sounds every time you put dishes and plates on this glass table. And look at the legs of this table. They are angular and pretty sharp. Even a poor plant is sharp. Personally, I would feel irritated, stressed, cold, and depressed in this dining room. Pardon me, but it would probably affect my digestion. You can relax now. This room is warm and cozy. The color is unconventional for a dining room, but it projects warmth and joy. It invites you in. Come and spend some time here. Relax and have a good time. You made it this far. It makes me happy. And if you are happy too, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Now check out this kitchen. It makes me feel stressed. The open shelves were in style for a little while, but they didn't stick around for too long. It's just too many things to take care of and arrange to make it look decent, not cluttered. Too much stuff in your field of view at once makes you stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. Here is the gray theme again. This is the last one, I promise. Even looking at them makes me feel a bit depressed. Walls are gray, the rug is gray, the chairs are gray, the pillows in the chairs are gray, the coffee table is harsh glass and the legs are gray. And there is an interesting decoration here. See the vase in the shape of a human head and some wooden branches growing from it? That's actually a picture of a stage home for sale, and it's been for sale for a very long time. Sorry, but it would probably sell better without this type of staging. And how do you like this one? The kitchen here is white also, but the floors are very warm. They added several plants, very warm under cabinet lights, and even placed some wooden cutting boards to warm it up. See how these small things make a difference? Overall, what we learn from these images is even if you have all white and gray rooms, you can infuse the life and warmth into them to make them look better and feel happier. Please share this video with others and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when the new videos are coming. See you soon.